All right, the next I'm going to be taking a look at is BCEI. This one was requested over on YouTube. Currently traded at $2.29. So we take a look back in here. Looks like on the 25th is when bottom basically started dropping out. You guys did have a big support line over here at the $2.80 mark. Looks like after that, you guys been basically tumbling down right past the 10-day simple moving average. Now you're currently at a support line. You want to call this a support line. At $2.28 right now. I am going to put this one on a hold, waiting for the next major support, which I think it's going to find itself at about $2.17, right around that mark. If you want to, be a little bit more conservative, you're going to be watching for that around the $2.13 for a pop to get in, if that's what you're going to be looking for. So right now, I can't really add too much to this one besides the fact that I am going to put this one up on here as $2.28. Watch for a bounce off of the 20-day simple moving average. It's going to be right there around the $2.17 for now. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to watch for a bounce off the 20-day simple moving average at $2.17. I feel pretty good about that because the chart by that time is going to be pretty not necessarily bearish, but it's going to be oversold by that point, and that's going to be at a 52 on the RSI. And I mean, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive trading sessions. If it can't hold the 20-day simple moving average, I think that it's going to find its way down to $1.96. If again $2.17 can't hold, it will fall to $1.96. All right, but I think that you're going to watch for a bounce off that 20-day. Joe, what do you have to add for this one? What's going on with this company?
So their latest press release was on January 17th. It was Bonanza Creek Energy receives unsolicited inquiry from Bill Barrett Corporation. So on the 17th, they announced that it has received an unsolicited inquiry from Bill Barrett Corporation regarding a potential transaction between Bonanza Creek and Bill Barrett. From time to time, the company receives unsolicited inquiries from third parties regarding potential transactions involving or related to the company's assets following the company and its subsidiaries' commencement of Chapter 11 bankruptcy cases in the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware. On January 4th, and the announcement of its prepackaged plan of reorganization, the company anticipated that it might receive additional similar unsolicited inquiries during the pendency of the Chapter 11 cases. So, I mean, that's probably something. Maybe go back to the January 4th. See what they announced. All right, right there. So it was that's probably the one that anybody would probably want to look at, the January 4th one, because there's Bonanza Creek Energy initiates prepackaged Chapter 11 proceedings pursuant to restructuring support agreement. So emergence from Chapter 11 is expected before the end of the first quarter of 2017. Prepackaged plan will reduce unsecured bond obligations by approximately $867 million and contemplates a $200 million equity infusion. Employees, royalty owners, vendors, and trade creditors to be paid in the ordinary course of business. So, I mean, that's probably the one that you want somebody to, go back and look to get a better understanding of the company. The
Okay.
January 4th press release statement.
All right, so you can find all that, what Joe just went over on investorshangout.com, the recent news, the filings, financial, all that information is going to be available over here on Investors Hangout on top of the time and sales. You can go through and take a look at every single trade over here also. So that's going to be BCEI, investorshangout.com/live. Check out that live stream. Watch for a bounce off that 20-day simple moving average at $2.17. If 217 can't hold, it might fall down to $1.96. But hey, I'd like to keep up on this one and take a look at it at a later date.